Hello everyone, welcome to our channel at Tech Oasis Systems, where we explore tech, productivity and self-improvement. As developers, we constantly refactor our code to make it cleaner, more efficient and scalable. But what if I told you that the same principles we use in coding can help us refactor our lives? In this video, we'll break down 5 key coding principles and show you how to apply them to personal growth, productivity, and mindset shifts. Let's just dive in. Principle number 1 is the dry principle. Do not repeat yourself or don't repeat yourself. Eliminate redundant habits. So in coding, we call it dry, don't repeat yourself. Whilst in your personal life, it will be eliminate redundant habits. In coding, we follow the dry principle to reduce redundancy and keep things clean. But in life, we often repeat tasks, habits, or routines that waste time and energy. An example of a bad habit is checking emails 50 times a day. Whilst you can just batch email checking into set time blocks, you don't really have to check them so often. Principle number 2 is clean code. Declutter your life. Messy code is hard to read and maintain. We did a video earlier on with regards to messy code. The same goes for life. Too much clutter leads to stress and inefficiency. We have got digital clutter that we have on our apps, unread emails, scattered notes. You see, some of us still keep thousands of unread emails. If they've been sitting in there for over a year, clearly it means they are useless. Delete them. Declutter your life. Unfinished tasks, and also other times we also have overwhelming to-do lists. We've got a whole long list of to-do lists that we continuously refresh and add some more early in the morning or every Monday. We need to declutter our lives. In coding, we use automation and minimalization as a way in our refactoring. Unsubscribe from useless emails, declutter your workspace and organize your schedule. I challenge you to take a few minutes right now to open your phone, pause the video, open your phone, delete all the apps that you haven't visited in the past 5-6 months. Because clearly you're not going to use them. They're just wasting your space or your storage space on your phone. Principle number 3 is the version control principle. In coding, we use version control frequently. We always use version control. Track your growth, and in our coding, we track our code. And version control helps us track changes and improve over time. But do we track our personal improvements as well in life? Keep a life change log. Track your progress in fitness, skills, finance, mindset. Goals are not only goals that we set early in the year, but they are goals that are meant to be tracked. You need to keep a life change log and see if you are improving or if you are going down. You can use a journal, you can use some notes. If you are smart enough, you can use your tablet, your iPad to log your personal growth milestones. And you also need to reflect on past versions of yourself to appreciate progress, which is what we do as well as developers. We look at other past versions that we have deployed if there's a bug to see what might have caused that new bug in the new deployment or the latest deployment. Likewise, in personal life, you need to do that as well. The 4th principle that I want to talk about is refactoring. Whenever we are writing code, we refactor 1 or 2 things so that we can improve the code. It helps us to continuously improve. And in our lives, we need to continuously improve. Great code isn't perfect from start. It's improved over time through refactoring. And your life works the same way. You need to identify inefficiencies in your life. What habits or what routines or mindsets slow you down? What small changes can you put or can you put on today to optimize your daily processes? Do you need to wake up a little bit earlier, maybe 30 minutes earlier? Do you need to set clearer goals? Or do you need to just work smarter? Test and iterate your things. In software, we test and iterate. You also need to do that in your personal life. Just like the A/B testing that we do in development. Tweak your approach, see what works best and what doesn't work. Drop what doesn't work and take what works. Principle number 5, which is the last one, is debugging. In code, we are continuously debugging our code to fix any errors that might be there. You also need to learn from mistakes when it comes to personal development. And bugs in code are inevitable, and so are mistakes in life. In code, we never say our code does not have bugs. It's inevitable. But the key thing is we need to solve them. We need to learn from that mistake and improve. Instead of getting frustrated, we debug and learn. You also need to do the same. Debug and learn. And the common life bug that we all have, or that most of the people have, is the fear of failure. Many people fear to fail, so they end up not even trying to do tasks that they're supposed to do, or to do a venture that they're trying to do. You must change that mindset and see failures as a feedback loop for growth. Because without failing, you will not be able to grow. And the reason why you even failed, or the reason why failure is there, it means there was someone who tried. If you didn't get the job that you applied for, debug your resume or your CV. Look at it. What did you add that's not supposed to be there? Or what did you not add that's supposed to be there? If you're struggling with your habits, identify the weak points and adjust. Once you have done that, you'll be able to now fine-tune your personal life as a coder. Because in coding, we are achieving the results, we are developing solutions that are working for our customers. So refactoring your life is an ongoing process. Small improvements compound over time into massive transformations. If you found this helpful, why don't you press the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, or even share it with your colleagues as we continuously release content on tech, productivity, and self-improvement. This is a channel which is combining all of these for you. Until next time, let's keep on coding and let's keep on growing. Thank you.